Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. This is going to be one of those videos that's going to be kind of off the rails here because we are on the highway and traveling for work, actually. But we're going to head on over to a dealership because we work for a company named Dealer CX. Check them out. They are a fantastic company. They are on the cutting edge of artificial intelligence. If you're a car dealership, if you need solutions, check them out, ladies and gentlemen. They have your solutions at hand, at scale, whatever you need for your dealership. So that's where we're headed, ladies and gentlemen. It's a beautiful day. Thank you all for tuning in. What I want to talk about in this video is how to build wealth from nothing. Now, many people, including myself, have had to start over in life after, hitting it big, after doing something where you make a bunch of money and then you lose a bunch of money and vice versa. And there's a lot of volatility within your own life. And so when I think about my own life and I think about what has happened in terms of just everything so far in my 20s, I think about how I can adjust and how I can rebuild. Now, you can always rebuild, and that's the beautiful thing. Now, if you're starting over at 30, consider it a blessing. If you're starting over at 35, same thing. 40, anybody can rebuild from nothing. It takes a bit of persistence. It takes a bit of grit. It takes a bit of hope. The hope that you can overcome your circumstance and get to a better place. Hope is a good thing. Maybe the best of things, as Andy Dufresne would say. But, at the end of the day, ladies and gentlemen, that's just one aspect. And so you must take action as well. Small, consistent action. Me uploading this video is an example of small, consistent action that can get you towards your goal. So never forget that, because if you are interested in building wealth, by the way, if you're interested in building wealth, check out the free stock market guide below, because we have basically information at your fingertips. These days, especially with artificial intelligence, ladies and gentlemen, it is so easy just to access whatever you need. And look, you guys can access the information at your fingertips. The question is, do you want to apply it? And do you actually want to take action and start investing for your future, even if it's only 4% into a 401k or a Roth IRA or whatever it is? But you have the choice today, I do as well, to start over. And if you're starting over, as we talk about, building wealth from nothing, this is something that I think about because, look, getting a divorce, going through the process of rebuilding from scratch is definitely not something that I take lightly. It's something that I have to face with full reality. And also, while rebuilding, I have to think about where I want to be in 5 or 10 years, Lord willing, of course, because nobody's promised tomorrow. But at the end of the day, I still want to make plans for my future, my kids' future, Lord willing, and try to build wealth from whatever framework I can. And so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to set up some kind of budget. I have to set up, now we have a budgeting tool that I'm actually thinking about making free at this point, only because I feel like these days, especially with artificial intelligence, anybody can access these tools, and I'm trying to bring as much value as possible. I do have a lot of pro tools you can access, but I'm thinking about making this is part of the pro subscription, all the budgeting tools, but I have my own budgeting tool on there because I use it. And, I'm going to set a budget, and I already have, essentially for my expenses and then my ex-wife and whatever my kids are going to be getting, making sure they're taken care of, making sure they're, fed and whatnot. But at the end of the day, I still have to, build wealth over the long term. So I have a system set up where I have 3 or 4 different accounts. And what you want to try to do is set up 4% on each account. So set it up to where you don't even look at it. And if you do end up buying the investments, you just log in there once to purchase the investments and then you log right back out. You don't hang around, because what happens is when you start chilling in your brokerage account, that's when bad things happen. Seriously, I'm not even joking. So brokerage accounts are for investing. Now, if you want to trade, that's another story. You can do options. I'm going to make some videos on that eventually. Once again, we'll try to make some more videos on options trading, cash secured puts, all that type of stuff. But if you're building wealth from nothing, please check out the guide below. It is totally free. Been working on it. It's on the website. No advertising at all, nothing. But like, look, if you want to sign up for Pro, if you like the free content that we provide, I'm not going to stop you, right? But at the end of the day, this is for you guys, especially the 40% of you out there who are not invested in the stock market, who are not invested in the equity markets. Hopefully this can help somebody out there, and hopefully this can give somebody some hope. If you're broke right now, maybe you're even in debt, and you're saying to yourself, I can't do this. And, maybe I sound like Dave Ramsey. A lot of people hate on Dave Ramsey, but, the guy's a multi-millionaire. Maybe I sound like one of those traditional boomers who says, just invest in the stock market, index funds, and you'll be rich over time, That's probably not the best impression. But, at the end of the day, ladies and gentlemen, the basics do work over the long term. And so, especially if you're just starting out, I don't see any harm in, doing something. It's better than doing nothing, right? So, even if it's just $300 a month, even if it's just $100 a month, you can always scale as your income grows. So if you want to get to $1,000 a month, that's when you can really start to build wealth. You can get to $2,000 a month. You can really start to build wealth. And so I want you to think about this, because this right here is the beauty, in terms of like how you can actually grow your portfolios once you start doing this, setting up 3-4%. I would say 4% for 4 different accounts. That's 16% of your income. Boom. Now, if you have debts to pay off, think about that as well. Maybe take that 16% and take it towards paying off debt. But you always have to do it before your bills. Warren Buffett always says save before you basically pay yourself, because at the end of the day, that money's going to get spent, ladies and gentlemen. So the money's going to get spent if you don't do something with it right away. So as part of my budget, you're going to want to take out money right away and put it into the equity markets. You're going to want to do it immediately, and you're going to want to build that wealth from nothing. And you're going to want to just watch it compound. And it's going to be tough at first, because you're going to want to grow it so fast, and you're going to want to move it around. Just let it sit. That's the thing I can teach you. I'm 30 years old. I've made a lot of stupid decisions in my 20s, trading stocks back in the mania. You can still do that. Make it a small part of your portfolio, though. Build the base. Build the base. Do not make the same mistakes as I did when I was younger. Now, money's not everything, ladies and gentlemen. I want to remind you, but these are some tips for building wealth. So hopefully, this can help somebody out there. If you are watching this and you're thinking to yourself, how can I build wealth? I don't know what I'm doing. Nobody taught me in school. Well, this is why I have the channel, because financial literacy in this country is very low. Now, if you've stumbled across this channel and this video, it means that you're actually part of a, select group of people who actually care about building wealth and trying to, get ahead, basically. So it's one of those things where I would say, definitely think about this. But over the long term, these are just things to consider. So anyway, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope you all are doing well out there. But this is how to build wealth in the market if you're starting out from nothing. Check out the guide below once again, and we will see you in the next video.